Then that -1 on the right hand side, shift it on the left hand side, so that -1 becomes +1 is equal to 1.1 raised to n. Clear? Clear this step? Now 1 plus 0.331 will give you what? 1.331 is equal to left hand side, sorry, right hand side will remain the same, 1.1 raised to n. Correct? Now on right hand side, what I have on right hand side, RHS, right hand side, I have 1.1 raised to n. Correct? Frame correct? On the right hand side, I have 1.1 raised to. So on the left hand side also, I'll have to make same. So I'll have to take 1.1 raised to what? Is 1.331. And for that, I took a help of a textbook, or let me write here at the top. Let me tell you, 1.1 raised to 3 is equal to 1.331. This is, I took it from question number 11 or question number 15. 1.1 raised to how much? 1.331. So here what do we have? 1.331. Can I replace that with 1.1 raised to 3? Prem. Because 1.1 raised to 3 is 1.331. So 1.331 can be replaced by 1.1 raised to 3. Now, base is same, 1.1 and 1.1, 3 and n. So by observation, what do you get? 3 is equal to n. Okay, chali. Now, chances of asking number of years is very less. Now, this type of question they will not ask. Because if they give you from here itself, you know, answer should be 3. N is 3. So chances are less. How this can be asked? They can give you 3, 4 raised to, like this sum. If they want to ask, they should give you here 1.1 given 1.1 raised to 2 is this much. 1.1 raised to 3 is this much. 1.1 raised to 4 is this much. Like that they can give 3, 4, 1.1, 1.1 raised to 2 is this much, 1.1 raised to 3 is this much, 1.1 raised to 4 is this much, 1.1 raised to 5 is this much. ऐसा देके पूछ सकते हैं. समझ रहा है कि क्या मैं बोल रहा हूं? Are you getting me what I am trying to say? If they give you only 1, then you know here is 3. They can give you 3, 4. They can give you 3, 4. So in the sum, what they can give? If this sum they have to ask in the exam. No, why multiply and check? Why multiply? They will give you. Without that, it's not possible. It will be difficult for you. 1.1 raised. Okay. Let me use my calculator and give you just 1 sec. Let me rectify the question. This type of question they can ask you. Let me rectify 1 sec. Correction. Just wait. What they can give you, they can give you like this. $1.1 Oh dear, my calculator is not working. Battery is down. Can anybody tell me 1.1 raised to 2 is how much? Okay, I got it now. 1.21, comma, 1.1 raised to 3 is equal to 1.331, comma, 1.1 raised to 4 is equal to 1.4641. Let me take one more last. 1.1 raised to 5 is equal to 1.61051. I took help of a calculator here. So this will be provided to you in the question. Hello? They will provide you this. Now once you reach to this step, last two step I'm deleting from here. Now once you reach to this step, then you'll have to check 1.331 is where? 1.331 is here. So which is equal to 1.1 raised to 3. So now you can write here by looking at that. Suppose this value is 1 point, suppose I'm saying 1.4641. Then what? Look above. 1.4641 is where? Raised to 4. So n will be 4 in that case. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? So if they want to give you a question, they'll have to give 1.1 raised to 2, raised to 3, raised to 4, raised to 5, at least 4, 5, and they will check it out, which one is matching. Okay? Don't worry, you don't have to multiply. You don't have to do 1.1 raised to 2, 1.1 raised to 3. No, you don't have to do that. It's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. If not given, you can always do that. Okay? Even you can see here, if you want to do division raised to 3, so you can always do that. 1.1 into 1.1. So let us keep point aside. It is 11 into 11. 11 into 11 is how much? 121. 2 digits after the decimal point should be there. So 1.21 multiplied by 1.1. 11 multiplied by that. 11 ones are 11. Carry 1. 11 twos are 22 and 123. Carry 2. 11 ones are 11 and 2 13. 2 digit after the decimal point here. 1 digit after the decimal point here. So it's not that difficult also. I'm saying finding out up to raised to 3 or raised to 4 can be done. Okay? Clear now? Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Let's move on to the next one now. Question number 11. Find and those where to place the dots. It's very easy. Say this 1.1 into 1.1. Harsh, time being, keep decimal point aside. Take it as 11 multiplied by 11. 11 square is how much? 121. Okay. Now in the first number, this number, I'm making a box. How many digits are after the decimal point? How many digits are after the decimal point? 1 digit after decimal point. Agreed? Now come to the second number. The second number, this number, down number. How many digits are after the decimal point?
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें। और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
1 digit after the decimal point. So now total here, how many digits are after the decimal point? In the first number 1 digit, in the second number 1 digit. So how many? 1 plus 1, 2. So your answer should have 2 digits after the decimal point. So decimal point goes here. Let me do further. Harsh, clear this much? Into, let me do another, into 1.1. First, don't look at decimal point. Look at it as 121 multiplied by 11. 121 multiplied by 11. So 11 ones are 11. Carry 1. 11 twos are 22. 22 and 1, 3. Carry 2. 11 ones are 11 and 2, 13. So your answer is 1331. Clear, Harsh? Now, in the first number, there are two numbers here. Multiplying in this number, how many digits are there after the decimal point? Kitna digit after the decimal point? 2 digits after the decimal point. And in the next number, how many digits are after the decimal point? इसमें कितने digits after the decimal point? 1. So total कितना हो गया? Total 2 plus 1. How much? 2 and 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So your answer should have 3 digits after the decimal point. तुम्हारे आंसर में after decimal point there should be 3 digits. So it will be 1.331. Clear? Clear? Yes. I'm not doing it. I'll just ask you 1.1. Now, whatever answer you will get now, how many digits you will have after the decimal point here? In the answer, how many digits? 4 digits, because here you have 3, here you have 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So your answer should have 4 digits after the decimal point. Clear? Very clear? Okay. Now, there was a question asked by Hazel, I suppose. Yeah. Hazel is saying, if they give us the information, then they are directly giving the answer. Why they will do that? Hazel, they will not give you directly this. See what I have done? Indirectly they are giving answer. They are given you here, blue color. How many values are given? Hazel? 1.1 raised to 2 also given. Raised to 3 is given. Raised to 4 is given. Raised to 5 is given. So they are not giving you answer directly. You find out answer, only they are helping you in this step. Here they are helping you. Your answer may be 2, your answer may be 3, your answer may be 4, your answer may be 5. So you'll have to go here till here correctly. Okay. Let me come to the next sum. Now you will say here 1.1 raised to 3 is given. Why they should give? They are providing answer. Because your marks, it depends on marks. How much marks they are providing? 3 marks, 4 marks. So in 3 marks, 4 marks, you are not expected to solve 1.1 raised to 2, raised to 3, raised to 4. Okay, time is also important. So they will provide you. Chalo. Let's start with the question number 11. Shall I? Shall I start with question number 11? Yeah. And before starting with this question, two things, 2 points to note down. Number one, Sunday's test solution is already given in the section notes. In your notes section, you will find the entire solution. Sunday test solution. Sunday test solution is available under notes section. Okay. Point number two, if few of you have joined today late, now we have changed from September, we have changed the timing, and now lectures are going to start from 5:45 to 7:15. 1 hour and 30 minutes lecture. Few of you joined late, so just let me remind you. Okay. Now lecture is not at 6, lecture is at 5:45. 15 minutes early, 15 minutes late, so 1.5 hours. Otherwise, we will not be able to finish up the portion. Okay. There are 8 chapters. We are on the second chapter. Chalo. Find accumulated value of annuity due. Dear student, first time we have come across this. I'm underlining the word, important word. What it is saying? Find accumulated value of annuity due. Okay, this is not immediate annuity, this is annuity due. So you'll require, yes, annuity due. You'll require, and what is accumulated value? Accumulated value in annuity due is not A, but it is A dash. Do you remember that? In annuity due, we don't call it as A, we call it as A dash. Okay. Find accumulated value of annuity due of rupees 1,000 per annum. Every month you are going to deposit 1,000 per month for 3 years at 10% per annum compounded annually, and you are given 1.1 raised to 3 is equal to so and so. So let us write answer. Given. What is given? क्या क्या दिया है पहला? What is 1,000? What is 1,000? Yes, it is C. C is equal to 1,000, comma, N is equal to 3, comma, R is equal to 10%. Therefore, I is equal to, I will be is equal to R upon 100. So I is equal to 0.1 or 0.10, you can say 0.1. Okay. Now, which formula? It's not annuity immediate, it is annuity due. So we'll have to use A dash formula. In A dash formula, you will not write C, but you will write C in bracket 1 plus I. Do you remember that? In dash, in due, C will be replaced by C into 1 plus I upon rest all will be as it is upon I, square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus I bracket raised to N minus 1. Where we are finding out immediate annuity, beta? This formula of annuity due. Find accumulated value. Find accumulated value of annuity due. Selvin? If they had asked annuity due in the question, then we have to find annuity due now, not immediate annuity. Yes, annuity due to annuity due. Selvin, they are asking annuity due, so you have to find annuity due. And if you do just A, not annuity due, then what? Then your answer is wrong. Okay? Chaliye. Substitute all values. That is equal to C. What is C? 1000. In bracket 1 plus I is 0.1 upon I 0.1 in bracket, in round bracket 1 plus 0.1 raised to 0.1 raised to n is 3 minus 1. Keep solving, keep solving. That is equal to 1000 in bracket 1.1 divided by